When you look in the mirror, you see one version of yourself, unique, unrepeatable. But what if there are others? Not just twins or lookalikes, but exact copies of you, living in parallel universes beyond our own. This is the radical possibility raised by the multiverse hypothesis. It sounds like science fiction, yet it emerges naturally from some of the most serious theories in physics. Could our universe be only one bubble in a vast cosmic foam? And if so, does that mean there are infinite versions of us, living out every possible story? The universe we know. Before diving into the multiverse, let's ground ourselves in the cosmos we can see. Our universe began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. Since then, space has been expanding, carrying galaxies farther apart. What we call the universe is everything we can observe: the galaxies, stars, planets, and particles within our cosmic horizon. But physics doesn't necessarily stop at the horizon. Just as the ocean extends beyond the part we see from the shore, reality may stretch beyond what we can measure. The multiverse is an attempt to describe that beyond. Eternal inflation. The bubble universe idea. One of the strongest candidates for a multiverse arises from cosmic inflation. In the earliest instant after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than light, smoothing and shaping the cosmos we see today. But inflation may not have stopped everywhere. Instead, it may continue eternally in different regions of space. This means our universe could be just one bubble in an infinite foam, each bubble a universe with its own Big Bang. Some may be similar to ours, others may have different laws of physics entirely. It's a staggering vision, an endless sea of universes, each born from inflation, each separate yet part of a larger whole. Quantum possibilities. The many worlds view. Another path to the multiverse comes from quantum mechanics. In quantum theory, particles exist in multiple states at once until observed. This is called superposition. When measured, the particle chooses one state, but according to the many worlds interpretation, it doesn't actually choose. Instead, the universe splits. One version of reality sees one outcome, another version sees the other. If this is true, then every quantum event spawns new branches of reality. There may be universes where you chose a different path in life, universes where history unfolded differently, universes where everything that could happen, did happen. In this view, the multiverse is not just cosmic, it's personal. Infinite copies of you may exist, each living out possibilities you'll never experience. String theory and hidden dimension. String theory, which attempts to unify all forces of nature, also points to a multiverse. According to the theory, fundamental strings vibrate in multiple dimensions, more than the three of space and one of time we experience. Depending on how these dimensions are shaped, different physical laws emerge. This creates a landscape of possible universes, each with different constants, particles, and forces. Our universe could be one point in that vast landscape, fine-tuned to allow life, while countless others remain sterile or alien. Evidence. For lack of it. Here's the challenge. We cannot see beyond our universe. By definition, other universes would be outside our horizon, unreachable by light or signals. So how can we know if they exist? Some scientists argue that indirect hints may emerge. For example, collisions between bubble universes might leave imprints in the cosmic microwave background. Quantum theories may reveal mathematical consistency with many worlds. String theory may show that multiple solutions are inevitable. But so far, no definitive evidence has been found. The multiverse remains a hypothesis, exciting, provocative, but unproven. Philosophical questions. Even if the multiverse exists, what does it mean for us? If there are infinite copies of you, are they really you? Do their choices matter to your life, or yours to theirs? Some find the idea thrilling. It suggests reality is far bigger and richer than we imagined. Others find it unsettling. It seems to dilute individuality, making our lives just one version among countless. There's also the question of meaning. If everything happens somewhere, what does that say about free will, purpose, or uniqueness? Are we special, or just inevitable? Why the multiverse matters even without proof. The multiverse matters because it challenges the boundaries of science. It forces us to ask what counts as evidence, what counts as explanation, and how far our theories should go. It also offers a possible answer to the mystery of fine-tuning. Our universe's laws seem perfectly calibrated for life. Why is that? One answer is luck. Another is design. But the multiverse suggests something else. If there are countless universes with different laws, then it's not surprising that at least one would allow life, and we happen to live in that one. Echoes in human imagination. The multiverse is not just physics, it resonates with human imagination. Myths and stories have long dreamed of other worlds, parallel realities, and alternate lives. From folklore to modern fiction, the idea of many worlds has always fascinated us. Physics now offers a scientific version of that dream. The multiverse may be real, or it may remain a metaphor. Either way, it connects science with one of the deepest questions we can ask. Is our universe the only one? So, are there infinite copies of you? The answer, for now, is uncertain. The multiverse remains a hypothesis, supported by theory but lacking proof. Yet the fact that serious physics entertains it tells us something important. Reality may be far larger and stranger than our senses reveal. Whether or not parallel universes exist, the question expands our imagination. It reminds us that the universe we see may not be the whole story, that beyond our horizon could lie realms beyond counting. And perhaps the real power of the multiverse idea is not that it multiplies us, but that it multiplies wonder.